Hi, I'm Trudy Brewer, editor of Beauty EQ, and I'm hooked on facial massage ever since I discovered the new Manicare NOVA FIT Facial Massager. I'm going to show you how easy it is to use. Start by cleansing your skin, then add a serum or a facial oil or a hydrating cream. Next, press and hold the button to find your preferred intensity. Start at the chin, move along the jawline to the ear and repeat 3 times. Next, move to the cheeks, to the ear and then repeat 3 times. Follow the brow bone along the forehead to the hairline and repeat 3 times. Don't forget your neck and chest. Massage down the neck and along the collarbone onto the décolleté. Repeat 3 times. For only 5 minutes a day, facial massage in your skincare routine will firm and brighten your skin at any age.